Hey everybody, just want to make a quick video here on the purposes of fat and why you need fat in your diet. I guess the first thing I'll start by saying is that when you have too much fat coupled together with carbohydrates, that could create a disaster for a lot of weight gain depending on your genetic predisposition. But there are a few aspects of fat, and I think some people need to be reminded of why you need fat in your diet. Okay, so one of the first things that fat does, it allows for proper structure of the cell membrane. So cells in your body, the membrane, if you don't have a good structured cell, what will end up happening is you're not going to have any cells. You're not going to be able to stay healthy. So very important you have fat in your diet for the cell membrane. That's actually what fat does when you eat fat. Another thing too is that it's involved with the absorption of certain vitamins, specifically vitamins A, D, E, and K. If your fat intake is low or too low or zero, close to zero, what will end up happening is you will not absorb these vitamins and you'll become malnourished. Even if you get all the vitamins you need, without having proper fat intake, your body will not be able to transport this stuff to where it needs to go. Fat, another aspect of fat that people don't realize or sometimes forget is that fat actually, the intake of fat makes hormones. It regulates your hormone systems. So, like for example, if you're trying to gain muscle, if you have low fat, what will end up happening is you will cause a lot of problems with having proper testosterone levels, which of course help with building muscle. And they also help with burning fat. Lack of fatty acids. This is actually, as I was doing research for this video, this was kind of surprising to me that I learned fatty acids actually cause lack of fatty acids can cause dry skin. So that's something else to look at and consider. One thing I wrote too is that don't confuse body fat, the ones that you store, versus body fat that or not body fat, but fat that you eat. Because even though they're the same, they don't do the same thing. Because what you actually take in as far as fat is concerned, or what your body stores as fat, like the fat storage for extra fat that you want to lose, that's due to excess calories and other genetic predispositions. There's other reasons for that. The other thing too is the fat that you eat is used for immediate energy, or tries to be used for immediate energy. And if you eat too many calories, whether it be fat, carbs, or protein, your body will end up storing it as body fat. But dietary fat that you eat is meant to be used as energy. And saturated fat does not clog your arteries. I'll post a link on my YouTube video so you can kind of read some of my sources on that. It's a pretty interesting article. It's really long, goes into cholesterol. Definitely not good for a 3-minute video. And of course, fat keeps you full. Trying to lose weight, trying to stay full, making sure you have adequate fat in your diet will keep you full, allowing you to help control your appetite.